Good morning to all. This is Chandra Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering from Programmable College of Engineering and Technology. Today I want to discuss about programmable logic controller in a detailed manner. So what is meant PLC? So programmable logic controller is a digital computer used for automation purpose. So such as control the machinery on factory assembly lines, amusement rights and fixtures. So what it can works? It can work under the electromechanical process. So what are the various applications? So automated areas PLCs can be used. So in the manufacturing process equipments and packaging and filling equipments, chemical mixing, conveyor systems and distillations, and they have various applications are there. So features and specification. They are rugged. So what is rugged? It can be solid and designed to withstand the vibration, temperature, humidity and noise. So they have various parameters it can withstand. The interfacing for inputs and outputs inside the controller. They have in the controller all the interfacing equipments are inbuilt. So they are easily programmed and have easily understood the programming language. So they have a easily programmed and easily understood because they have programming language. They can be used as a gates. So AND gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, etc. So programming is primarily concerned with the logic and switching operations. So programming, so they have switching to on off. So automatically we want to switch on the light and switch off the light. They have logic controls. They can be used by using the various switch operations. So PLC. So why the PLC is designed? PLC is designed as a replacement for the hardware relay. So they have a hardwired one. They have a automatic switch can be replaced with the normal switch either by manual. So by using the timer logics, the automatic switch for 5 minutes we want to give the time to switch on the light, and 15 minutes after switch off the light, it can be automated by using PLCs. Where the PLC provides the flexibility of the control based on programming and executive logical instructions. Already we discussed about the PLC. So they have a logic gates and they are having a programming language. They can be combined to give the automation purpose. The internal features such as the timers, so for the timing purpose, counters for the counting purpose, and shift registers, so for the storing purpose. So making this sophisticated control possible even a smallest PLC. So the important things we are having that in the smallest PLC it can work. So in the PLC, first of all we want to see the architecture. So what is the architecture? The architecture is the layout of the PLC. So what are the components are inside? So first one, address bus, control bus, then the important components are CPU. So CPU consists of memory units and user program RAM, system ROM, data RAM, input output unit. Then after that we are using the input output system by using the program panel as a buffer, opto controller, latch. They have various drivers with using some output channels. So we want to see one by one. So what is CPU? So it consists of a microprocessor. It's a heart. It consists of the microprocessor which interrupts the signal and carries out the controls actions according to the program stored in the memory. For example, you want to switch on the light when entering into the room. So we have a program with respect to the signal sensors. So it can easily switch on when you are entering the room. Likewise, they can whatever the program can be implemented in the PLC with the respective with the microprocessor. It can works. It communicating the distance as an action signal to the output. So whatever may be the output linear, it can be communicated. So it scans the total information package stored in the memory or the input and output devices continuously. It scans continuously. It works with respect to the sensors. So during the scan of the CPU, execute instructions based upon the input data. So whatever the data we are feeding into the input, it can execute wherever it is available. The data can be used. So scan time for the longer unit and config is very important system. The supply unit is busy.
Still good straight.